First we have to change from layout tab to shading tab. Click on this arrow on this world opacity, that is 0. Now press Shift A and select here plane. Now press tab for edit mode. Now press R, then X, then 90 degree to rotate on X axis. Now press S, then X to scale on X axis. Now press S, then G to scale on G axis. Now press tab for object mode. Now click on this new to add material. Select this principal BSDF node, then press Shift S and change this shader into emission. Now press Shift A and search here color ramp. Now connect this color point with this color point. Now select this handle from color ramp and change its color into red color. Now click on this plus icon to add extra handle, then select this and change its color into green, and also change its position, that is 0.33. Now select this last handle and change its color into blue color, and also change its position, that is 0.66. Now select this color ramp, then press Ctrl T to add these nodes. Now select this image textures, then press Shift S and from textures tab select gradient textures. Now we have this pattern. Now we have to change its rotation value. So change here Y rotation value, that is 90 degree. Now we have to also change from UV to generated. Now we have this kind of pattern. Now press Shift A and search here vector mat. Now select this, then press Ctrl T. Now delete this extra node. Now connect this vector with this vector point. Now holding Ctrl Shift, click on this add to preview this. Now change into wrap operation and also change maximum value, something like this, and also change it minimum value, that is 0.5. Now we have this pattern, also change its rotation value of y-axis, that is 90 degree. Now press Shift A and search here color ramp. Now you can adjust pattern from here like this. Also change this linear into constant and adjust this maximum minimum value. And also change UV to object. Now press Shift A and search here mix shader. Connect this emission shader with this second shader. Then press Shift A and search here transparent BSDF. Now connect this shader point with this first shader point. Now select this mix shader, then holding Ctrl Shift click on it. Now switch to preview mode. Now click on this material properties tab and here change blend mode, that is alpha clip. Now nothing is showing here, so select this color and connect with this factor. Now we have this kind of pattern. Now we have to animate this. So what we have to do, select this mix shader again and duplicate it. Select this mix shader, then press Shift D to duplicate and duplicate like this. Again select this transparent and duplicate like this and connect here like this. For this factor, select these 3 nodes, that is here, then press Shift D to duplicate and connect this color with this factor. Now press Shift A and search here color ramp. Change from linear into constant. Now switch back to preview mode. Now when you animate like this, you can see this kind of animation. So it is happening from top, we have to make it from bottom. So click on this arrow and select here flip color ramp. Now when you change its handle position, animation will be from top. Okay, so select this, then right click on this position and select here insert keyframe. Now select this node, then click on this layout tab, turn on here material preview, then click on this arrow and select here video sequencer, then click on this add here sound which you want. Again click on this arrow and select here graph editor. So you can see here nothing is showing here, so change here shading tab, then select this color ramp, also select this object, then click on this key and click on this bake to app curve, select previous audio which you have load, then click on this bake sound to app curve. Then you will see this kind of animation. Also click on this render properties, turn on this bloom option, change color management and select here very high contrast. Now switch to shading tab and also increase its strength value like this. Then switch to render preview mode and also change its world background color. Then click on this, select here output folder, then select here FFmpeg videos, expand this encoding option, and here from audio tab select here mp3. Also change here output quality, that is high quality. Now click on this render and click on this render animation. Thanks for watching this video.